Hello and welcome back to another video. I am so excited to do this with you guys because I've been thinking about it for the past days. I was like, you know what, I have to do this video. So I had to like go buy some stuff and to see what I needed to organize my pantry. Super excited to be here. I'm so excited you guys are back here with me and get my hands in there and start decluttering, getting rid of some stuff that I don't even need. But yeah, now I'm here and I'm excited and I'm so glad you guys are here. So let's get started into the video. I'm going to share with you guys how my pantry looks like before and after, and I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. I'm so excited, you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. So let's go get started. All right, you guys, so this is what my pantry looks like from the outside. It is not big, it's not a walk-in or anything like that, but it has quite a few cabinets on the bottom and then on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like currently right now, and it's a huge mess. Once I open this, I just freak out, like my brain hurts once I look at it. It's just super messy. This literally needs extra love and help. You guys can see it's absolutely messy. I cannot wait to keep my hands in and clean this up. So this side right here is where I put all of my daughter's snacks and goodies and stuff. So you guys can see there's like a lot of chips and just random stuff that I need to go ahead and put in containers like that, cereal and stuff like that. And up here is more food that needs to get organized and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just like our sweet junk section of the pantry. As you guys can see different kinds of containers, like the black ones, the white bins. This was the most hardest decision ever, and how to put these together and how to see which ones I did really need for my pantry. But I think I made a good choice because I ended up not using all of them. You guys can see once this video is all done. But yeah, most of these are just from the dollar store, and I will link any of other ones on my bio just in case you guys are interested. So yeah, these are super cute glass and I just love them, how they look. Right here, what I'm going to be using is just vinegar and water and rag. This is my all-time favorite cleaning thing that I like to use. If you guys have been following me in my other videos, this is what the solution that's like my go-to, and it just leaves the countertops or like this little section that I'm cleaning super clean. I just love this solution. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys should. Okay, so what I started doing right here is kind of put the product that I was going to put in the containers right in front of it, so that way I kind of knew what was what. So I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys how I put it in the the glass containers. I was gonna use that white funnel, I believe that's what it's called, but then I ended up not using it because it was just getting so clogged. But I just started using another thing. So yeah, let me show you guys how I fill up these glass containers, and I just like the look of it, you guys. Okay, so what I started doing was just gathering the product and just dumping it in the container, just because the other way was not working, and I was just getting a little bit frustrated. But I did make a mess, but that's okay. This worked out really well for me, and it turned out pretty great. So yeah, I was just dumping it and moving along. So that's all I did. so I already went ahead and I put all the food inside their each individual containers. So now what I have to do is just bring everything straight back to the pantry. And I am looking over here on to my side. There's a whole bunch of food. I don't even know where the heck I'm gonna place it, but I'm gonna try my best to go ahead and try to do this as neatly as possible so I can be welcoming. I hope you guys are loving this video as much as I am making it for you. Head and get all the stuff ready and put them in here in my pantry. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and put all the stuff right here on the ground. That way it'll be easy for me to just grab and just put away. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all my stuff away. And please do excuse the noise behind me. My daughter's having so much fun with her cousin. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all this stuff inside the pantry. This was like the hardest part for me, just putting the stuff back and organizing it. And while I was doing this, you guys, I just thought about it, but I totally forgot to buy like those fancy cute little stickers that I've seen that you guys put on the containers, and I did nothing of that. So hopefully I can get that situated later on. But yeah, you guys can see me just reorganizing and moving stuff around just because I was not liking it. But it did take me a while to figure out the proper way on how to put them together. And yeah, so I had fun, but it was stressful. The moment of truth. So you guys can see I kind of moved stuff around and kind of organized it a little bit and put some wire baskets here, and then the cereals are in their own containers, as you guys can see. Nice and simple. I like it. And once I'm going to show you guys my favorite part of the pantry. I cannot wait. It is super awesome. I absolutely love it. It turned out super amazing, just how everything just fits well together. Check it out. So check this out. I love how it turned out. It's super clean and super appealing. I like how everything is just there. I just love the white neutral colors that I kind of have going on. I just love it, you guys. It's just something that I want to go in and cook better, and it's really, really appealing. I really like how it turned out. All right, you guys, and that is it of this video. I really liked how this pantry did came out, and I loved it so much. I like how organized it looks and how appealing it looks. It looks super amazing. I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. And I really hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more future videos. I am just blessed to be here and happy. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day, okay? Bye.